Hello everybody, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have a beautiful 1965 Ford Mustang Convertible. We've got a white paint with black interior. This car is a great ride. Smooth, clean, and it catches everybody's eye. Now the red Mustangs, the absolute classics, as everybody knows and loves, but this white looks very, very nice. I'll show you the back real quick. Got some extra mats in here, all cleaned up. Got some protecting on it. And we got a spare as well. Nice cover, so it looks super clean inside here. Let's go ahead and jump into the front real fast. Check out the cluster. Everything looks very nice on there. Steering wheel. Yeah, just a beautiful car. All right, we're gonna go ahead, pop the hood, take it for a spin, and check out the undercarriage. All right, here we are. Take a quick spin down the road. You guys can hear it and see it drive. Very smooth driver. Strong. Let's go ahead. We got a car right here to pass. All right. Beautiful ride. Very straight steering wheel. And looks good with the top down. Alright, let's go ahead, take her back. We'll get her on the lift. Give her a quick punch out real quick. Very, very strong. Very smooth. Alright, we'll take her onto the lift. Alright, got her up here on the lift. Let's take a look underneath. Beautiful condition on the underside. Very strong, clean. This is a great car, great cruiser. Interior's in great condition. Let's swing around, get a little bit better of a view on the sun. If you have any questions, concerns, give us a call, shoot us an email. We always appreciate you guys hitting the like button or subscribing. If you have any further questions, we look forward to you contacting. Have a good day.